We'd never pick a recipe based on how much fun you can have with a name, but this brilliantly easy one-pan bolognese is rich, hearty, and oh so satisfying, orzo they say. Enough of that, on with the recipe. Fry 1 large onion, chopped celery, the grated carrot, and 2 garlic cloves over a medium heat for 2 minutes. Add some fresh basil leaves and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano and cook for a few more minutes until everything is softened. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, a tin of chopped tomatoes, and 1 litre of hot vegetable stock. Bring everything back to a simmer, then add 300 grams of dried orzo pasta and 350 grams of Quorn Mince. Simmer for another 8 to 10 minutes until the stock is absorbed, the orzo is cooked, and you're left with a rich, thickened bolognese.